And then we're gonna now go on the treadmill for like 3 minutes. No, not 3. I mean like few seconds, minutes, I don't know. Yeah. Until we get like 1,000. We at now 700 something. This person is in front of me. They the chicken. I'm the rabbit there right in front. So the rabbit is there. Guys, I can't wait anymore.
The party and there's a chicken honey
Say they were for fast. That's photo.
Damn,
Damn, Kaitla never big forehead.
and kiss and and kiss flying that thing, if you guys can see. And yes, Stubby. And there's our dog Stubby, and there's Caitlin, the Malala. Oh yeah. So let's be continued on Caitlin and his game. Okay. Caitlin's so dumb. Mommy. And there's Caitlin and yes, Aiden. Actually, I didn't brush my teeth. You. Actually, I did.
Teach me like chocolate cake.
I did. It's not the morning anyways.
Choo-choo train, nigga.
Okay, guys, are we gonna be done with the video?
No.
Come on, let's get okay with him.
We don't have Robux because obviously we spend it all.
Yeah, so let's spend over the bucks.
I spend it on coin passes and I spend it on, I don't know, maybe, I'm not gonna say.
You can see there, and that he must be run fast. And Daisy must get the eyes.
No!
Look at my phone.
No.
Okay. And there's that chicken, like chicken down chicken. You gotta win. The duck.
You mean the goose?
The goose.
The goose.
Bah! Dead. Almost dead. Safe round. Boy, relax.
I'm basically not looking on my phone, I'm looking on his phone. Okay, this PC I must look on my phone. No, I jumped too early. Okay guys, now I'm gonna play for real.
Okay guys, so you're gonna play Blue Ivan next, and then I'm gonna be joining him, and then he's gonna record me how I play.
Hell no.
And then he's gonna send it to me, then I'm gonna put it on my YouTube.
Oh hell no.
So guys, this is almost done, and then we're gonna be stopped. Okay? This is the last one, and then
No.
and then yeah, and then we're gonna get the latest subscribers. Menu. I must also make a group with you.
Yo, I jumped in. See, I
can see that vibe.
I hate you.
See you guys. See you next time. See you guys.
He's guy, everybody. No. We don't have Robux, you dumb nigga.
Okay, you can see us Robux.
You also have 0 Robux, you dumb.
Because you just spend it all up.
We never had Robux, he's lying.
Actually, we did. Actually, I did.
Never.
And clearly, I don't know what to do. He's playing Cosmo later. Okay, then I do it. Okay, alright.
Can you even drive Aiden? You talking Robux again?
I know how to drive already. I
think my hiccups just came
The end. Sorry guys, we're gonna be going because
everybody's gay.
yeah, goodbye.